Hello, we are from Billmed Ultrasound Training Institute. We have started digital hands-on practicals for those who are involved in ultrasound and wants to improve their scanning skills by watching the live patients. I am repeating, live patients. The benefit of digital online hands-on over the in-campus is that it is at your convenience, it is at your doorsteps, it is very comfortable because it will be as per your slots, as per your convenience of time. Now, if you will come to my center, I will show you how we are scanning the patients. That is the practical, that is the hands-on. But what is the benefit of this digital hands-on? First of all, the time, as per your convenience, as per your slot, whatever you will give us. Secondly, when you will come to our center, what you will see how we are scanning the patients. But you are having two eyes. You have to focus both of your eyes onto one thing only. That means whenever I am scanning over there, you will see how I am rotating the probe. But at that time, you will be missing the screen. But if you will see, you will watch the screen now, that time you cannot see how I am tilting the probe. But the benefit of the digital hands-on is that you can parallelly see the patient as well as the monitor as well as me speaking live. So, I will give you a very short clip of an already conducted hands-on. It's over here. The neck of the gallbladder. So, if I will trace this right portal vein, this will lead me to the neck of the gallbladder. Point number one.
Sure.
Now, there is a hyperechoic band-like structure. Now, see over here.
Sure.
This will be in between the neck and, now see, this is in between the neck and the right portal vein. What is this called?
MLF, sir. Medial lobar fissure.
Yes. So, this is also confirming me that this is the right portal vein. Now, if I am not getting the gallbladder very easily, I can trace from the right portal vein and I will see to the MLF. That will take me to the gallbladder neck. Then,
Sure.
Now, when I am seeing this portal vein over here, I will be are thinking that I will be seeing the fundus, I will be seeing the body, I will be seeing the cystic duct, I will be seeing each and everything. That is not possible. 50% of doctors who are scanning from decades in India, they have turned. So, this was a very short clip of how we are taking the digital hands-ons. The benefit is that you will be seeing the live patient like you will be sitting next to me. But if you will sit next to me, you will not able to see whatever we are showing you right now. The monitor and the patient along with me speaking, and sometimes we are switching from the patients to the PPT to make you understand the basic topic. But these sessions are for those who are already involved in ultrasound and wants to upgrade their scanning skills. Now, you may be thinking, what is the syllabus? What we are taking in these digital hands-ons? There is a syllabus. From that syllabus, whatever you will be asking for example, the gallbladder, liver, pancreas, for example, somebody is a gynecologist and wants to see a knuckle translucency, how to scan a knuckle translucency, how to get a good anti-scan, how to take the level second, how to take the color Doppler. We will now show you the very short clip of the syllabus, whatever we'll be taking in these digital hands-on sessions. So, here will be the PDF, but it will be a very short go through this PDF because that PDF will be sent to you on your request in your inbox or in your mail. So, here is the syllabus. What we are taking the physics of ultrasound. Yes, physics of ultrasound. We are machine settings, I mean physics and machine settings. Hands-on we are taking the abdominal ultrasound. In abdominal ultrasound we are taking the gallbladder, liver, pancreas, we are taking the spleen, we are taking kidneys, complete KUB, and from the female pelvic ultrasound we are taking the uterus and the ovaries,
and this is the list what we will be showing you in these digital hands-on sessions. Ultrasound in infertility, fetal ultrasound, early and ectopic pregnancies, fetal head scanning, fetal abdominal sonography, placenta, amniotic fluid, multiple pregnancies, and of course we'll be taking their fetal color Doppler practicals also. So the point is, whatever is a requirement, we are taking the digital hands-ons for that, and as per your convenience. There will be some slots given. There will be a timing. For example, somebody is opting for a time for 6 p.m. Yes, we can give the 6 p.m. slot also. So any time in between 4 to 7 p.m. we are taking 30 to 40 minutes, but we'll not discuss more detail over here in this video, because the details are in PDF file. When you will be contacting our WhatsApp helpline number, we will send you the relevant details. So I hope that you'll be benefited with these online digital hands-on sessions. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.